What's innovative about the Yiddish Book Center? Pretty much everything. 30 years ago, we realized that Yiddish books were being lost and destroyed. We went out, organized volunteers, and saved over 1 million volumes. We realized the paper was crumbling. We digitized the literature. We realized that demand was growing. We took the books we had saved, we digitized them, we posted them online, and have had 500,000 downloads in the space of 4 years. We realized we didn't have every title. We made a partnership with the National Library in Israel. We wanted to make the work searchable. We teamed up with a computational linguist in the French Pyrenees to perfect Yiddish OCR. We realized that only 2% of the books have been translated into English. We started training a whole new generation of Yiddish translators. And we realized that it was time to open up these treasures and share them with the world. We started new educational programs for high school students, college students, recent graduates, 20 to 30-year-olds, and adults. In short, we have a vision of a bigger and more holistic and more inclusive Jewish world, and innovation is the core of everything that we do.